In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Excel. Starting off, let's ensure you're all set up and ready to follow along with ease. The process is straightforward, but there are a few tips that can make your experience smoother and more efficient. First, we need to open your Excel document where you plan on adding your text box. Once you're on the designated sheet where you'd like the text box, we'll head over to the top ribbon of your Excel window. Up there, you'll notice several tabs, each with its own set of tools and features. Our focus today is on the Insert tab, so go ahead and give that a click. Upon entering the Insert tab, you'll be greeted with a variety of options designed to enhance your Excel worksheet. For our purpose today, you'll want to direct your attention to the Text section. This is located towards the right end of the tab, and inside this section, you will find several tools we can use for adding text elements. The tool you need here is labeled Text Box. Click it. Now that you've selected the Text Box tool, take a moment and visualize where you'd like to place your text box on your worksheet. Keep in mind that text boxes are incredibly versatile. You can use them to annotate, explain data, or even add creative elements to your sheet. So envision it as a little note or commentary in the context you're working with. With the Text Box tool active, move your cursor over to the sheet. You should see your mouse cursor change, indicating you're ready to add your text box. Since the next step involves physically placing your text box, bring your cursor to the specific starting point on your sheet where you want the top left corner of your text box. Press and hold down your mouse button and then drag your cursor across the sheet. As you do this, you'll see the text box beginning to form. Here's a quick tip. If you have a specific size in mind, you can refer to the small size indicator that appears as you drag. Once the box has reached your desired size, release the mouse button. And there it is, a blank text box ready to be filled. Now comes the fun part. Click inside the text box to begin typing. This is where you can enter any text you need, be it data insights, comments, notes, or instructions. Alternatively, if you have pre-written content from a document or another sheet, you can simply copy and paste that directly into your text box. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert and customize a text box in Excel. Text boxes can significantly enhance how information is displayed and allow for better organization and understanding of your data. Feel free to experiment with the styles and options available to make your text box suit your needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy excelling.